Welcome to our video on how to enjoy winters. Winter can be a magical time of year, with its cozy fires, hot drinks, and fun outdoor activities. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on how to make the most of the winter season. Tip 1. Embrace the cold. Winter can be a great time to enjoy outdoor activities, such as skiing, ice skating, and snowshoeing. So don't be afraid to bundle up and get outside. Tip 2. Get cozy. Winter is a great time to curl up with a warm blanket and a good book or movie. So don't be afraid to embrace your inner homebody and enjoy some cozy indoor activities. Tip 3. Celebrate the holidays. Winter is a time for celebration and cheer. So embrace the holiday spirit and enjoy all the fun traditions and festivities. Tip 4. Plan a winter getaway. If you're feeling restless and want to escape the cold, consider planning a winter getaway to a warmer destination. There are plenty of affordable winter travel options available, from tropical beach vacations to city breaks. Tip 5. Embrace the winter beauty. Winter can be a beautiful time of year, with its snowy landscapes and twinkling lights. So don't forget to step outside and appreciate the winter beauty around you. We hope these tips have inspired you to enjoy the winter season. From embracing the cold to planning a winter getaway, there are plenty of ways to make the most of the winter months. So bundle up, get cozy, and enjoy all that winter has to offer.